Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, I got a package here. It's addressed to me. It's from Goodwill Industries out of Cleveland, Ohio. It's media mail. I can tell it's a book. I haven't opened it or anything. All I did is cut it. I don't know who this is from. I did not order this. I even asked Diamond. I'm like, Diamond, did you buy me something from Goodwill Industries? And she's like, no, why? I said, I got something in mail. I have no clue. She's like, oh, well, who knows? So let's check it out. Yeah, from Cleveland, Ohio, Goodwill Industries. Oh my god. Collage, Couture, Techniques for Creating Fashionable Art, Julie Nutting. I didn't even know she had a book. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. It says, thank you for buying your Goodwill Industries shipped to me. Order ID, order date on the 6th. Shipping service standard. Buyer's name is blacked out. Collage techniques creating. This book is good with years of enjoyment left. You will not be disappointed. May have slightly curled corners, covered dings, or light scratches. CD, DVD, etc. may not be included. Okay. Alright. Well, whoever sent me this, you just have made my day. I haven't even opened it, and I know I'm going to love it because it's Julie Nutting, and I love Julie Nutting stamps. Ah! Look at this. Look at how she's dressed. What's the back look like? Ooh, look at that. Play dress up. Oh, yeah. I'm on it. Okay, this is so cool. Okay, deep breath, Tina. Deep breath. Let's open it. Oh, my God. About the author, Julie Nutting has been creating for as long as she remembers. She started drawing fashion figures when she was 9 years old. She grew up in an era of the first fabulous fashion doll clothes, a time when doll clothes were exact replicas, a decor coats of Balagussa grounds. When she couldn't have the clothes she wanted for her dolls, she simply made them from her mom's pretty pastel hankies and fabric scraps, headed for the trash bin. This led to a lifelong love of fashion, illustration, designs, and so on. Julie lives in sunny California with her husband and 2 kids. They all have appreciated for travel gardening. When she's not busy creating, you can find her outside playing in the dirt, growing abundance of vegetables, herbs, flowers all year long. Oh, that's cool. Okay, dedication. To John, who made sacrifices so I could follow my dream, and to Sean and Laura, who encouraged me to chase it during the bleakest times. Oh my God, I can't wait to read this. This is all about her. Acknowledgements. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo. Oh my God. This is going to be a long video. I suggest you sit back. There are chapters, 4 chapters. Introduction. Look at guys. I've never tried this, and guess what? One of the first things I'm going to try. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. I'm not good at faces though, but that's why I kind of like hers. I can't draw eyes or lips. I can't draw. Introduction. Techniques. Oh, look at. Oh, I didn't even know she had a book. Did anybody else know she had a book? So this is phenomenal. Shows you how to draw, but I know how to use stamps. But look at it. See, I ain't doing. Ooh. Oh, look, it shows you how to do the eyes. See, I have a lot of books. I just suck at it. There's that one I'm talking about. I'll do the faces, the hair, the body, skirts. Oh my God, so cool. Decide on style. See, I never thought of doing it like that. I always make her skin tone look like skin tone. I'm going to have to do me a Julie Nutting doll like this. This is so cool. I mean, look at that. I mean, I've done the dresses in different colors, but I never thought to do it like her legs in book writing. Our journaling here, 101, here it comes. How to draw and cut. So that's like I like her stamps. So cool. Oh, look at it. Paper collaging. Fashion on a canvas. See, that looks so cool. I could manage probably a simple eye and lip. Just tiny. Look at, I have that stamp. Chocolate strawberries. Oh my god, this is so awesome. I don't know who sent me this, but thank you so much. And I'm like, I didn't ask Bima. She knows I love Julie Nutting. I'll have to ask her. She probably wouldn't tell me anyways, because she's just not like that. But I love her. She gets me. Not too many people do anymore. Or think they don't get me. I haven't changed. But there's just only so much you can put up with. Postcard from Paris. Oh my god, this is so cool. Love how it shows the different techniques. Chopsticks. How it shows different... Oh, look at it. Cut a small potato in half and draw 5 flower petals on the surface. Carve the petals out with an owl and then scoop the negative space. Using the stamp technique. Oh, it's to make a stamp. Now that's pretty cool. I never thought of that. I don't have to do that, but that's a neat idea. That's cool. Newspaper. Harness. Harness. Yeah, I can say it. God, this is such a cool book. La Bamba. Oh, look at skull face. Frame fashion. Oh my god, look at it. That's cool. Feeding the spirit. Nothing feeds the spirit more than a new dress. Well, not for me. I don't like wearing dresses. Moulin Rouge. Moulin Rouge. I was probably saying it wrong, guys. Oh, look at it. Oh my god, this book is so awesome. Princess of the Hearts. Setting the mood. Oh, look at it. I just noticed that in the corners, setting the mood. Go to Paris for the day. Yes, you heard me right. Splurge on a book that features gorgeous photos of romantic city. This will get your mind in the place where it needs to be to design a great clothes. So there's little setting the mood, little encouragements in the corners. That's so cool. Oh my god, this is so awesome, guys. I don't know who saw this, who knew me well enough to be like, yep, I gotta get that for Tina. Because this is an awesome book. I mean, I love don't get me wrong, I have the Delusion, I have the Jane Davenport books. They're awesome. They're all awesome, but this is really awesome. Woo, dress it up. Look at the little hanger. I got some metal ones. They're cute. Cute. Oh. See, I see a lot of techniques. Even if I can't draw her out, I have a lot of her stamps I could stamp out and do these techniques with. I'm working on my, I haven't did it in a while, my Julie Netting dollhouse. that I started. I'll get it. I'll show you. I haven't did any in a while. It makes me want to now. She's just a little bit shy. Oh, look at. Oh my God, this is so. She took a book. Oh my God, I'm gonna do that. And she just cut it out many pages and did it in a book. Oh my God, that's so cool. Said I never thought of that. Happy hour. Oh, what were these? Oh, what did she do them on? Oh, a little like 3x5. They're little ATC cards, kind of size. But it looks like it's a little canvas. Oh, look at for another side page. On the back of it is recipes for drinks in an early little pocket. So that's kind of cool. What shall I wear? Oh, look at there's more back here. Who's this? From Kimberly Santino. Vibrant Woods by Andalumi Melanie Cox. Discover more why is the collection and style. Create mixedmedia.com. Oh. Oh my God, this is so cool. I can't believe this. I don't know who purchased this for me, but thank you. I'm like loving it. It was an awesome surprise. I'm gonna get in the mood, and I think I'm gonna try some of these techniques that's from here in my little dollhouse that I started. I got all the pages out. I haven't did it since my birthday. See, they're already made to do something on. I just haven't done it for a while. I actually lost in my craft room. I just recently found it again. So I think I'd try some of these techniques from this. So whoever sent me this, I mean, I am blown away. I want to thank you so much. Like I said, first I called Diamond, and Diamond's like, no, it wasn't me. So whoever you are out there in YouTube land, because that's the only place I can think that a person would know to send, and it had my address. Well, my address is out there too. I want to thank you so much. This is an awesome book. I didn't even know she had this, because I guarantee if I knew she had this would have been in my collection a long time ago. I can't wait to actually. I've had them. Oh, right here. Arlene sent these little bookmarkers, but I might make me a Julie Nutty bookmarker. I'm gonna make me a Julie Nutty bookmarker so I can read and do. But I want to thank you guys for watching. And like I said, whoever you are out there on YouTube land that sent this, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. As you can see, this is so cool. I'm going to have so much fun reading through these, doing some techniques, and adding it to my little Julie Nutting Dollhouse journal. It's more of an art journal. There's not going to be any writing in here. Well, you know what I mean. I ain't going to journal write. Like I say, I did my birthday one. But you're going to see some of these. Because like I said, I never thought of... I always do the skin tone. As you can see, everyone. I never thought of doing it like this. So I'm going to have to check that out. Except I think I might have to get different rings. Okay, there we go. So, thank you so much. This is awesome. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.